Rugid nga salamat. Maayong gabi kaninyo nga tanan. Nalipay ako makasama kayo ngayong gabi. Thank you very much. Durugid nga salamat Bishop Leon Estrella sa inyong pag-imbita sa akin. At maski po kakagaling ko lang dito hanggang 12 midnight ng Friday, umuwi ako sa Maynila at Sabado po kahapon, meeting buong araw. Hanggang kaninang umaga, meron po akong project sa SM Mega Mall. Nandun po mga taga Sibalom. Lahat ng 18 municipalities, meron mga booth sa National Arts and Crafts Fair. But I decided to fly back tonight because this event is so special, not just to the Philippine Independent Church and the Aglipayans and all of you, but to all of us in the province. I want to greet Governor Dodod Cadiao, Vice Governor Denosta, and all our board members and SBs. Medyo namamaos na po, pagod. Pero pag nakakasama kayo, nakakawala ng pagod. I told Gov Dodod, maski pagod ako kahapon, tanong nyo, kagabi, nakailang tawag ako, 5? Tawag ako ng tawag, nag-meeting, nasa Makati ako, iniisip ko, Antique. Yan. Do you see that being constructed? Yan po ang aking project ng Evacuation Center Multipurpose Building. Apart from that, we have scholars, di ba? Sa ilalim ng ating CHED at Tulong Dunong. And Dole Cash for Work, and many more. It is not the time to talk about my projects. All I'm saying is that what we want to do is to unite our province so that the long denied and the long deserved progress for Antiqueños should be here and now. Tama na po ang away politika. Tama na po ang negativity. We should bring about cohesion, unity, purpose. Kawawa naman ang mahihirap, kawawa naman ang walang oportunidad sa kabuhayan kung palaging away ng away ang mga politiko. Kailangan magkaisa na. It's about time that Antique must see the dawn, must see the light, so that we can have more jobs, we can have better quality education, and accessible healthcare. Kaya po, sa nakaraang 2 taon, nung ako po ay tinalagang chairman ng Finance Committee, I made sure that Antique, my home province, of my forebears, is not left behind. We've waited too long, 30+ years. Importante, Antique ay nauuna. Hindi palaging nakakalimutan, naiiwan. No! And so, on this occasion, we have our friends from all over the province. It is important that we gather with a single-minded purpose of providing unity, of providing peace in our province, political peace, of providing progress and development for our dear Kasimanwas. I thank you for always warmly welcoming me. I thank you for always supporting me. And I assure you that Senator Loren Legarda, the senator from Antique, will never let you down. I intend to represent our province, just like my grandfather did, Ariston Helia, the first congressman of Antique to the Malolos Congress. He was with those esteemed names in Philippine history who crafted the first constitution, whose name is etched in the Baraswain Church in Malolos. And so, I stand before you proud and humbled by the fact that my great-grandfather helped craft the first Philippine Constitution. Natutuwa po ako, pinakita po ni Bishop Estrella kanina, pagpasok ko po sa simbahan, na sa plaque, merong Baltasar Helia. Baltasara Helia. I have to ask, namatay na po ang grandmother ko, wala na rin po ang mama ko. I have to ask my aunts kung kamag-anak ko ba si Baltasara Helia. Baka kapatid pa siya ng lolo kong Ariston Helia, because there were 8, 9 children. Because I know my lolo has a brother, Vicente Helia, na naging gobernador nyo. Tapos may kapatid na Petra Helia, na lola naman ni Tita Sally Perez, na naging gobernador nyo. Maybe they had the sister Baltasara, but I will find out. Thank you for that little vignette or anecdote or discovery. So, hindi ko na po papahaba ang aking mensahe dahil po baka masira o mawala pa yung aking singing voice. Biro lang po. I simply wanted to prove to you how important you are. That's the reason why pabalik-balik ako at babalik ng Maynila bukas, first flight, dahil may Senate work pa ako ng 9 ng umaga. In fact, nag-text sa mga kaibigan ko, nandito ka ba? Siko, hindi, nasa Antique. Kala ko bumalik ka na kapon. Oh, bumalik na naman ako. So there's something about our dear province, parang ang agos, ang hangin, lahat. Papunta ako dito, papunta dito. Even if the President asked me to be his cabinet as DSWD, I had to kindly turn down the President. And I explained to him, it is because I want to serve the people of Antique. So, I can only do it with your support. I can only do it with everyone's cooperation. But this is not the time for those things. This is a time to commend the church, the Philippine Independent Church, which has its roots in the grassroots, which cares for the peasants and the poor and the vulnerable. I have close links with the Aglipay Church because the late Bishop Tomas Villamena was a good friend. Hindi nyo na itatanong, mula 1998, at least 2 times, we went to the Netherlands together in peace negotiations for captives of the CPP, NPA, NDF, na negotiate namin on a humanitarian peace mission. And I was with Bishop Villamena, the late head of the church. Nagpunta kami sa Sorsogon sa pagpalaya ng isang polis. Nagpunta kami Liango, Surigao Sur sa pagpalaya ng isang army soldier. Nagpunta kami sa bundok ng Davao, umakyat sa pagpalaya ni General Victor Obilio and Captain Monte Alto. We were together in Mansalay, Oriental Mindoro, Major Noel Buan. We went to Calayan in Laguna for Sergeant Vivino Demol. Amazing, I remember all of those names. 1998-99. Bishop Villamena was always with me. We were a team negotiating for the safe, orderly, and peaceful release of captives. And he was my teammate in the negotiations. Because Bishop Villamena of your church, of the Philippine Independent Church, and I, just like all of you, Bishop Estrella, share our advocacy of peace, of reaching out to the peasants, the fisher folks, the poorest of the poor. And it is my advocacy and my wish that progress not just be on the top 10-20% of our population, but should finally simmer down to the poorest, the remotest, and the most vulnerable populations. And I believe that is what the Philippine Independent Church stands for. Progress not just on top, but really for the poorest of the poor. Bishop, I am one with you in providing what it takes to provide livelihood, pangabuhian, kaaram, edukasyon, and healthcare. Lawas, good quality healthcare. So thank you very much. There will be another time to talk about the things I still want to do for our dear province. Pasensya na po, medyo low back po ako ngayong gabi. Maski pinakain ako ng lechon ni Vice Governor Endemosta. Thank you very much and congratulations on our feast day and God bless us all.
Thank you very much, Honorable Senator Lauren Lee.